It's me, Miss Ogi Fira. Now, let us learn what make day and night by using models. I already prepared some equipment. First of all, I prepare this balloon. Second of all, I prepare a cute drawing. This is a monkey. I will stick the monkey in one side of this balloon. The next one, I already prepared a flashlight. This flashlight will be the sun. This balloon will be the earth. I will put the flashlight over here because the sun is not moving, right? This balloon will move. It will spin like that because the earth is spinning and moving around. Now, I would like to turn off the lamp to see which one is the day, which one is the night. Is the monkey experiencing the day or the monkey experiencing the night? Hi leaders, it's already dark here. Remember, this is the earth, this is the sun, and this is the monkey. I put the monkey here. Wow! The side of the balloon is shines by the sun. Is the monkey experiencing day or night? Yes, you're correct. The monkey is experiencing the day because the sun shines this side of the earth. Now, I would like to spin the balloon. Okay, spinning, 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 spinning. Oh, now, is the monkey experiencing day or night? Yes, this monkey is experiencing the night because the sun is not shines this side of the earth. Now, I will spin it one more time. Wow! Now, can you guess, is the monkey experiencing day or night? Please answer this question by writing it in the chat box. That's all for today. See you!